Well, once a design is complete and the plant schedule has been done, it's possible to produce a list of plants used in your design together with some extra information and give that to the client as a PDF file. And that's done if you have GCADPlus and SppDb. So we can go to GCADPlus and extract schedules. We can extract the plant schedule, that's the information to the right, and we can save that as a CSV file. I'll put it on the desktop and overwrite the one that I've done. So a CSV, or a comma-separated file, has now been written, and it takes its information from the plant list that's associated with this design. What we'd now like to do is to print that information, and to do that I need to switch to SppDb. I've started our little companion plant database SppDb, and I'm sitting at the record for the Chinese tallow, and that's one of the plants that was used in that particular design. This plant database has the ability to import a CSV, and I'll do that now, and we'll pick up that file that we just wrote, a plant list, and what it's going to do is read that information and tag just those entries in this database. There are 381 entries in this particular one. It's going to clear them all, and it will tag the entries from our design. Now it's telling me your CSV file had 14 entries, but only 6 were tagged. So I have to actually go back there and tag another 8, all of the others, but this will demonstrate how it works. So we'll say OK, and the database moves to the very first entry, a plant or species that was used in that design, and it's now tagged. And I can go to the next tagged, and I'm scrolling through the entries, the species that were used, and we started on this particular one. So now that they're tagged, we have an option to print all those tagged entries. We don't want the image name and URL there, and I'll just change to Qt PDF Writer. I'll OK that. Well, I've chosen Qt PDF, and I'll set the paper size a bit smaller than A4 to A5, and I'll OK that, and OK. And now, using Qt PDF Writer, we're printing a PDF file, and I'll put it on the desktop. Well, let's open the file, the result of printing, and here it is. We'll put it in full screen mode, and there's the first entry, Abelia grandiflora nana. Then there was an agapanthus, alternanthera, an entata, the Raywood fraxinus, the claret ash, the Pimelia, and the Chinese tallowood. So I hope that demonstrates that it's quite easy, once you're organised, to get a PDF file or printout of information about the species that you've been using in the design, and that can go to the client.